Hi guys, today we will make amazing selections and smooth mask quickly using the combination of two hidden sliders in Photoshop. At first we open photo of object that we want to cut out. Now we choose Quick Selection tool and start to select. After that, we go to Select and Mask window. As you can see, our selection is not smooth. We must use feather and contrast sliders to make it better. Shift-H slider can help us to delete light stroke around object. Create a solid color layer to see result. Some parts of object are still not perfect. Then use Lasso Tool to select them and paint by white brush on the mask. Repeat it in other places. Perfect. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.